Utah's picturesque lakes, rivers, and streams are a haven for recreation. But in some waterways, hidden dangers are lurking beneath the surface.
You would not want to eat this. You would not want your dog to eat this. So at a high enough dose, it's known as very fast death factor because it will paralyze your respiratory system and result in death within 15 to 20 minutes. Benthic cyanobacteria harmful algae mats were not even on our radar until 2020 when there was a mysterious dog death in Zion National Park, so just upstream from here in the Virgin River.
In 2023, also in the Virgin River, but through a part of St. George, another puppy died after playing in the water where benthic cyanobacteria was found.
And the more we look, the more we're finding them, and we're now being able to connect the dots between, mysterious dog deaths, human illnesses, and the presence of these species.
This isn't the same type of harmful algal blooms like we are used to seeing in our lakes and reservoirs where the water turns bright green or blue. In addition to standing water, these lesser-known benthic cyanobacteria algae mats are being found in flowing waters like rivers and streams.
We have seen it growing, though, even during the winter.
Dr. Bonner says she and her team with the Utah Department of Environmental Quality are diligently investigating these algae mats that can produce deadly toxins.
Oh, here we go. So I found some cyanobacteria over there as we were doing the investigation of this recreational site. I'm going to be collecting both a taxonomy sample to actually look at the species of cyanobacteria present, and then also a toxin sample to see if there's any common toxin production occurring. Actually, I'm going to put a little water in here just to keep it happy. Yeah, scary bottle.
Dr. Bonner believes the rise in recreational activities and environmental changes could be contributing to the growing presence of this algae.
Ooh, yeah. You can't tell if a mat is producing toxins or not visually, but you can get pretty good at identifying what cyanobacteria looks like or what this harmful algae looks like, so you can know what to avoid.
Here's what she says to look for: carpet-like coatings, mats, or a sticky mucus-type substance at the bottom of lakes or rivers.
So you can see right here in that really mucusy, it's really gross actually, it's like extra boogery.
Mats will also attach to submerged rocks, sediments, or vegetation. Colors range from really light tan to a dark forest green and even black.
So the real risk here is if you're a dog or a person is once this mat gets to a certain thickness, it becomes so buoyant, it detaches from the rock and actually will float to the surface of the water where it could accumulate on the shoreline or be on the surface. And it has a really musty odor that dogs like. And so dogs will actually seek out and eat this stuff, which is why they're so much more likely to get lethal doses.
If you see it or even think you see it, avoid it. Don't get in the water or let your animals play in it.
There's thousands of water bodies in the state, and we're not going to be able to monitor all of them. And so ultimately our best defense is for the public to know what they're looking for so that even if we haven't been there recently, they can still enjoy the water safely.